It may be a bomb cyclone outside, but Jimmy and the crew have been hammering all day today when I'm shooting this video. Crazy weather going on, and it's been all about mud and tape. You can see they're getting ready for every classroom to get painted. It's been incredible. They've just been hammering these 5-gallon buckets of mud. Just bam, bam with some tape, getting ready to paint. And every single classroom is looking amazing. Closed up, done, soundproof, HVAC's finished, electric's finished. We're getting ready for the finish work. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my favorite studio so far. This is the Rock right in the record room back in that corner. You can see all that electric there. Why? Because that's where all the recording equipment goes. We've got room for multiple keyboards. We've got room for drums in the corner and then a whole wall of amps right there. Man, and my favorite part about this Rock Right Record Studio, there's a bomb cyclone out now, but you can imagine the sun just shining in through that window. Woo, that helps with songwriting. Let me take you to the final room here. Of course, this is the most important classroom at Brooklyn Music Factory. It is our community room. It's the thing that we've just been really missing since the lockdown, and we are so excited to have you back in it. Dig it. You gotta believe that you're gonna be on that stage back there, which is getting built within weeks, maybe even by the new year. What? Did I say that? Believe you're gonna be on that stage, and there's gonna be a room full of people celebrating your songwriting. You gotta believe 2023 gonna be magical.